Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2019 Northwood Manufacturing Arctic Fox 990 truck camper. Brand new, just showed up. Come on inside. Get to the back of the camper. This has the large assist handle. The Fox landing package makes it real easy to get into the camper. Starting here on the inside here, we got the wet bath, skylight, very nice. Getting around to the side, we got the pull-out pantry with adjustable baskets. Then down below we have a fixed pantry. Large oven, 3 shelves. 3-burner cooktop, all the stainless steel. Overhead fan and light. Microwave oven. Overhead kitchen cupboards. Plenty of space. This one has the new 19 what I call the basin sink. It's a big one-piece basin sink with the big sink cover. This particular model has the dual pane windows. Everything's LED lights inside and out on this unit. Our control panel here, Kenwood AM FM CD player stereo here. This one has solar on the roof. Pre-wired for the Wi-Fi extender on the roof as well. Nice big queen size bed. Plenty of cabinets on both sides with 110 USB lights and cup holders on both sides at the head of the bed, so very accessible. Nice fantastic fan above for letting the breeze blow through at nighttime. Plenty of windows. It's got the partition curtain to separate the bedroom from the living area. There's an extended countertop that lays out here that will give us more counter space, and or we remove it for easy access up into the bed. This one's going to have the new upgraded Northwood refrige that I believe is about at 1 cubic foot larger. Refrigerator, freezer, gas and electric. Full wall slide, refrigerator, dinette, both into the slide. This makes into a 6-foot bed when it's made into secondary bed mode with the easy glide down table to make it into. Put the cushions on top and it makes into the bed. Comes up and locks into place. Storage underneath both ends of the dinette areas. As well as a little bit more storage up underneath here. Nice ceiling height. This one has the air conditioner unit installed already. Little cup holder on the back of the dinette. Coming out the back end of the camper, we do have a full patio awning out the back that's power. Our ladder to get up onto the roof for maintenance. Very solid roof, nice big crown. A lot less chance of rain and snow to pool up top to cause a leak. Everything's going to run off. 2500 watt LP generator. All 4 corner power jacks with remote control to do individually or all 4 at one time. Basement storage up underneath the dinette area from outside in. Large full one slide here. Nice graphics. Again, LED lights throughout, inside and out. One-piece end cap wraps from the top all the way down through to the bottom. No seams across to create a leak, so a lot less chance of it having a leak. Gas and electric hot water heater. Freshwater fill, that's about a 55-gallon freshwater tank. Outside shower. Large battery compartment with a pull-out tray. If we're using 12-volt batteries, we remove the pull-out tray to get the height so we can put 2 6-volt batteries in, but the 6-volt batteries will fit in this unit. Satellite and part cable TV ready, all plugged in right here. This has the pre-wire for the solar A-frame additional solar panel if we want to go that route. Short cord plug in here. Large 7-gallon propane tanks, so we got 14 gallons total with auto changeover. The access panel to open here for our plumbing to pull our waste valves. This has the sewer hose storage in the bumper, so it pulls out and we can put our sewer hose in there, push it back in and store it. This has the rear friction door, so wind won't grab it out of your hand. Nice feature. Double window in the door with curtains. And then there's a large Joey tray that pulls out here that's about 4 feet long, metal tray on rollers, so we can pull and store away some of our lengthy things that can fit in there. And again, the Fox landing makes it easy to get in and out of. That about wraps it up real quick on the Arctic Fox camper here. Again, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Please ask for me if you have any more questions or want to know a little more in detail on these. I'd be happy to show you. I've been here at Guaranty for 15 years, so please don't hesitate to ask for me when you call in, email, or drop by. I'd be glad to help. Appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.